Hello guys, so welcome back again to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to apply your COP in your mismo account. So when you're ready, let's start! Additional tips, so dapat mag-renew ka na ng mga refresher course mo bago mag-expired para hindi ka makakuha ng full course niyan. Okay, let's proceed. Click select transaction. Then click mo yung pangatlo, yung certification. Tapos regular, click revalidation, select class COP. Then select function, for example, advanced firefighting, scroll down, then click mo yung I hereby declared, click proceed. So, ito na yung mga requirements na kailangang isubmit natin. So, for example, yung number 1, valid EFF, COP, no need to upload, this will be verified in the system. So, yung pangalawa, upload certificate of seagoing service, yun yung isasubmit natin. Tapos, i-convert muna natin yung mga picture into JPEG gamit ang image converter. Libre nating makukuha to guys sa Play Store. After natin ma-select yung picture, i-convert format, click yung JPEG, tapos i-click natin yung check. Then, save. Balik na tayo sa mismo, then scroll down. Then, add attachment, upload attachment. Then, hahanapin natin yung na-convert na picture sa gallery. For example, okay, yan. Then, kiklik natin. You have successfully uploaded a document. Then, let's just say na kompleto na natin yung mga requirements. Then, i-click na natin yung submit. Click yes. Then, application submitted successfully. Tapos yung payment status niya magiging for online evaluation. The next day, kung walang problema, after nilang ma-evaluate yung mga requirements mo, ay magbabago na yung payment status into for appointment. I-click mo lang yung kulay blue for appointment. Tapos, mamimili ka ng date and time for your appointment. Scroll down, then click proceed. After mo maklik yung proceed, may lalabas na appointment successfully set. Tapos magbabago yung payment status into for final evaluation. Pagdating ng appointment date ay magbabago na yung payment status into for payment initiation. Tapos i-click mo yung generate reference number. Then click yes. Tapos i-click mo yung click this link to continue payment initiation. Then click continue. Then click cash. Then mamimili na tayo ng payment center kung saan tayo magbabayad. For example, 7-Eleven. So i-click natin yan. Then scroll down. Click generate reference number. Tapos, screenshot natin yung reference number kasi yun yung gagamitin natin para magbayad doon sa 7-Eleven. Tapos, magtitext din sa atin yan. Click mo yung how to pay para may reference tayo kung paano natin gamitin yung payment machine doon sa 7-Eleven. After mo magbayad sa 7-Eleven ay magbabago na yung payment status into for signatory validation. At after 1 to 2 days ay magbabago na yung payment status into release. At pwede na natin makita yung COP certificate dito sa ating mismo account. I-click mo lang yung certificates. Tapos ito na yung COP certificates natin. Click view. Then click open. Click download again kasi na-download ko na to. Then click open. So ito na guys yung COP certificate natin. At ikaw na yung magpe-print for your personal copy.